Tesla's weather integration uses AI algorithms to automatically adjust vehicle behavior for safer driving. In low visibility conditions like fog or heavy rain, the system can reduce speed to maintain optimal control. The system enhances route planning by suggesting detours around storms and hazardous weather conditions, helping drivers avoid flooded roads or dangerous areas. Real-time storm path overlays provide live tracking of severe weather systems. During hurricanes, Tesla owners have used these features to navigate evacuations, avoiding flooded areas and following safe routes. A recent study found that many Tesla drivers feel more confident driving in bad weather thanks to these weather features, citing improved awareness of conditions and better route choices. By 2026, Tesla plans to incorporate weather forecasts into supercharger route optimization, avoiding rain-exposed stations and ensuring more reliable charging during trips. Voice commands like "Show me the weather radar" make accessing these features even easier while driving, allowing hands-free operation. These features work together to provide comprehensive weather awareness, updating in real time to keep drivers informed and safe.